Once upon a time, in a dense forest, a group of frogs decided to do something different. A race to the top of a high, steep pit. The rule was simple. Whoever reached the top would be the champion. Frogs came from all around, not just to race, but to watch. There was excitement, energy, and a bit of nervousness. Then the race began. Frogs leapt forward with full enthusiasm, but the pit was deep, and the walls were slippery. The climb looked nearly impossible, and soon the crowd started to murmur. "It's too difficult. No one can do this. Why are they even trying?" Their voices echoed, louder, stronger, and one by one, the frogs lost hope. They listened, they believed, they gave up, all of them. Except one. One little frog kept climbing, struggling, slipping, still moving. The crowd shouted even louder, "Just stop. You'll get hurt. It's useless." But the frog didn't stop, didn't listen, didn't quit. And finally, that little frog reached the top. Everyone was shocked. How did it do it? When they asked, they found out something unexpected. The frog was deaf. It couldn't hear the negativity. It didn't hear the fear. It only focused on one thing: the goal, the moral. Sometimes in life, people will doubt you. They'll tell you it's too hard, that you'll fail, that you're not good enough. But you know what? You don't have to listen. Be like the deaf frog. Ignore the noise, follow your path, and climb to the top, even if no one believes in you. Because success isn't about what they say, it's about what you believe. If this story inspired you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real motivation, and don't forget the bell, because your next story might change your life.